What's going on, y'all? I decided to take me a little fishing trip today. I didn't want to go too far, so I just went to my local park. Now, here in St. Louis, they stock our local lakes with catfish twice a month. But anyway, let's get it. And oh, yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So yeah, I started out just casting, trying to find, some fish around the pond. What I usually do, I have my bobber and I put a night crawler or a red wiggler, whichever one I have. Well, sometimes I even fish with some chicken breast, hot dogs. You really be amazed at how much you can actually fish with. Hey, even corn and bread. Those are great for catching carp. But today was pretty slow. You know, it was mostly a lot of waiting around. But as long as we don't get skunked, we all right. Oh yeah. See, this is a little bite right here. Oh my, he gone. He gone, y'all. I had him for a second, but he gone. Now you may have noticed the bells on my reel. That's just so when I'm away, I can hear the fish playing with my reel. Cause you hear the bell jingle when they hit it.
Hey, what's going on, brother? Not really. Nothing but some bluegill biting.
Oh, oh, is that one? Yeah, there you go. Here you go. Come here, little fella. Come here. Oh, I got him, y'all. I got him. He don't feel that big though, but I got him. Now you know, as my wife would say, hey, this her favorite size. This is exactly what she wants when I go catfishing. This right here. Enough where she can eat the whole catfish and just pull that meat right off the bone. But anyway, at least we ain't get skunked, y'all. But you know what time it is. Love, peace. Keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.